Hello and welcome back. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make southern fried cabbage. Now, I am so excited for this recipe. It's giving homey comfort. The kids are gonna love it. You're gonna enjoy it. You have to try this recipe, okay? And please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get right to it. So we're gonna start by prepping our ingredients. I'm starting with the cabbage. So I'm gonna cut it in half because it's big. And then I'm gonna cut it in half again. Next, I'm gonna remove the core of the cabbage. We don't need that part. And then I'm gonna cut my cabbage up in pieces. Now, you don't want it too thin and you don't want it in too chunky either. Okay, so once you've done that, you're just gonna put that in a bowl and set that to the side. And next we're gonna move on to cutting up our green and red bell peppers. Okay, so once you finish cutting up your bell peppers, you're gonna set them off to the side. You're gonna move on to our onion, and I'm just using a half of a yellow onion for this recipe. I'm just gonna give them a rough cut, and then I'm going to go straight into my bacon, and I'm cutting them up in pieces like this. The bacon is going to add so much flavor and depth to the dish. You are going to love it. So once I'm finished, I'm just putting it off to the side. And then I'm going to start by cutting my sausages like this. And then later on, you're going to see that I cut half of the sausages in smaller pieces. Now we're going to start with our pan already hot, ready to go. We are going to add the bacon and just allow that to render. On medium heat, just allow your bacon pieces to fry until they become crispy, not too crispy. So once you see a color change, we are going to go ahead and remove your bacon bits and set them off to the side. So next, we're going to add our sausages to the pan, again on medium heat. We're going to fry these on each side until they're cooked, until you see a color change, and then we're going to remove them. So next we're gonna fry the remainder of our sausages. And as I said earlier, I cut up half of them in smaller bits. So that way when we're mixing it in our cabbage, we get a piece in every single bite that you take. So once you've finished frying all your sausages, we're gonna go straight into sauteing or onion mixture. So as you can see, it's rough cut, and we're just gonna saute this for about 3 to 5 minutes just until our onion becomes soft, it's fragrant, and then we will be adding some minced garlic. And don't worry, again, everything will be in the description box. All the measurements will be in the description box for you. So continue to saute your onion mixture until everything is fragrant. You're smelling the aromas from the onion and garlic. It's nice and soft. Then we are going to add our cabbage to this. Now, do not worry if all your cabbage doesn't fit all at once. Just pop the lid on, let it reduce, and then you can add what's remaining. Now, after about 5 to 6 minutes, you are going to add your bell peppers to this, and look at the color, you guys. We're halfway there. We are halfway there. Now, after you add your bell peppers, then you're going to want to season your cabbage. So we're going to be using black pepper. Next, we're going to add some ginger to this. We're going to add some Cajun seasoning, cayenne pepper, and then we're gonna give this a good mix. Now the flavors, everything is coming together nicely. The color is just looking so awesome. It smells amazing. Okay, so next we're gonna add some W sauce to this. So go ahead and make sure that everything is nicely incorporated. I am so excited for you guys to try this recipe. Absolutely love it. At this point, you're gonna add a little bit of salt to taste, And then you are going to go ahead and make sure everything is combined, as I said before, and our cabbage is cooked, it's soft. So we are now going to reintroduce our bacon, and then we're going to add the sausages, and we're going to give everything a final mix. Look at the color. It's just, oh, it's so good. It's smelling amazing. Like after a long day, this is what you want to come home and make. Trust me. So remember again to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.